Hi guys, it's Andrew. Today is the 29th of April and we're going to have a quick look at some altcoins and Bitcoin. Okay, so Bitcoin is doing okay. Sitting on, okay, let's zoom out. I've identified two bases which I think will be resolved. First one has been resolved and second one comes in around 96,000, which I expect to be resolved before downside, or at minimum after we pull back, if there is a pullback, as low as, I don't know, 68. So maybe we go 68 and then we resolve, or we resolve this and then 68. I don't know. But I do think the level of 98 should be resolved. Bitcoin still in this descending wedge, but looking like on the monthly it can close outside of it, which would be great, and possibly signaling that the bottom for now might be in, because this is a really big candle. And if we close at 77,000 on the monthly in a few days time, then that gives us an opportunity for another strong candle to take us to 97,000 maybe, or at minimum build a little bit of strength similar to this before making a move up. So Bitcoin's not looking bad. Maybe we're gonna stay in this 69.78 until something happens. That's what I'm thinking. Okay, what's MSTR doing? MSTR is still above this second. Okay, so MSTR is still above this trend line, and it broke out of this channel here at 165, 140, and sort of made a little bit of a push to 182, and now it's currently at 165 on the 3-day chart. We have this fractal as a potential play from MSTR, and we are looking for an MSTR sell around 236, 251, 289. 289, you know, it's pretty wide, but I would lift this up a bit. And I would say MSTR is still looking bullish until it can resolve 238, 286 level, and it can still be bullish if it comes down to 132 and holds above this, now support line. If you really want to be panic prepared in case something happens, then limit order 1 comes in around 43-46% below current price. So that would be a real discount, and that's at 88. And then obviously there are orders at 59 and 51 in case we get that same panic bear market of 2022, bad news, something bad news, you know, like, and I would imagine it has to come soon, because something like this came in March of last year. Sorry, in March of last bear market, but we didn't really get it we didn't really get it yet. So maybe we will not go down to these 3 limit orders, which is fine. And instead, we might get a retest of 135. And if MSTR starts pulling back, then expect Bitcoin to also pull back. If MSTR pulls back 20%, then maybe Bitcoin is going to pull back anywhere between 5%, which is 72K, and 10%, which is 68K. And 68K would come, I think, at a fair level. All right. That's Bitcoin. Let me see, Ethereum, Bitcoin. ETH, Bitcoin on the 1 week. I'd like to see ETH get above 0.32 if ETH is to push up and signal that altcoins are going to start moving. It's difficult to say though at the moment. Let's see Bonk. So Bonk has been trading in a really nice 4-hour chart where you have lots of small bases, and now I'm only seeing this with Bonk, you know, and you could have played from February, even you could have played from, I would say here maybe, that's 20%. So I'm looking to get in something small below this base area-ish, then below this base area. CC going sideways. It's also going sideways. Maybe something like this for ETH. ETH really needs to hold 1.9. If it goes below 1.9, I'm expecting 1.7. So I would pick up something at 1.7. I don't think I have any orders, but I would say 1.8. For a short term buy. Altcoin. INJ, nothing. IMX, nothing. ICP, ICP flat. Okay, so I think I'm gonna close off this video. By saying Bitcoin is looking alright, unless there's a major news event that takes it down. I think Bitcoin is doing okay. We are in a bear market environment, so it's a little bit harder at the moment to be bullish, but it's holding its ground, and we'll see what's going to go on soon enough.